Hey, what's going on, guys? We're gonna start another episode of Happy Wheels. Let's begin with Hard Obstacle Course by Muzarni, my first level. I'm sorry, I'm this time. My leg just fell off. Both my eyes. Okay, I really don't like this level very much. Torture by Max22. Lawnmower guy wanted a revenge, and he called everyone to the party. But something broke. See what's going to happen. Yo, dog. What's going on, man? Dog? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Dog, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dog. I'm sorry, dog. No, come on, dog. I don't want to do this. Oh no, dog. Oh no, dog. What? This guy is nuts, dude. I mean, for real. He's got like some serious anger problems or something. Yeah, that's terrible. That's just terrible. The Giant Wheel by Trepafall. No comment. Come on, son, we're going to do it. There's no possible way to do this. Nope. Yep, this one's terrible. I don't like it. Jetfall by Icy Bug. Hello again, this is my second level and my first jetfall. Please enjoy. My last level got 5 stars, so I hope you like this one just as much. Come on, dude, please don't kill me, man. Oh. Bruh. Ow. Oh, that didn't work. Try this again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this, dog. Come. Oh. So close, man. Could have made it. Oh, let's try this one more time. Last time? I swear. Okay. Nope. This last time. I'll just make sure that. No. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Come on. Get yourself out of that, man. Okay, I swear this really is the last time. Go backwards. Go backwards, not forward. Gotta go backwards. Gotta go backwards, not forward. Get up, man. Come on. You got this. You got this. Just fall off. Don't stab yourself in the face. Okay, yeah. I give up. Next level. Death Course by the Magic Duck. Prepare to die. Come on, son. But Daddy, I really don't like this. You're going to die. Well, you died, son, but not me. Come on, son. I'm gonna do it for you, son. Daddy, you cannot do it. Too hard. Paddle Jump by Little Crab. This is my first paddle jump. I hope you enjoy. Come on, man. Ow. No. Go. Go. Sorry, I think my computer spazzed out for a minute and like threw me to the front, and this guy is dead. Okay. Well. Impossible. By 3 to kill. Tobuscus, I can see you. Pogo stick. Maybe the volume was too high. Aw. What? Okay, that makes more sense. Ah, you missed me, sucker. Come on. You can do it. Okay. You got me, but I still made it. Yes. Okay, now. Gun testing lab. By Hush Now Be Quiet. With firing weapons, realistic flash, unknown test subjects. Segway guy. I'm gonna do it. Wait for the screen. Jump! Whoa! Intervention / silence. Whoa. M16. RPG 7. Will it still shoot? Nope, guess not. Kalashnikov AK-47. Everybody's just dying. FNP 90. Mossberg 500 size house shell holder. Okay, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. I gotta give this guy credits. Extreme Pogo 1.2.0 by Epic Psycho Buscus. Don't you ever just get bored of Pogo challenges every time? It's just jump over the next Bear and JBO. You know, where's the excitement? We'll jump to this challenges. You try to complete this Extreme Pogo challenge. Brush your face. Have fun. Pogo Stick Man. Extreme Pogo Challenge. Beginner. There's a saw blade, man. Don't get on the saw blade. No. Gotta go the other way, dog. Woo. No. Okay, made it. I just gotta get under this. Over that. I just heard something. Intermediate. Okay, come on. You got this. Whoa. Whoa. And I died. Alright then. Well, let's try Tobuscus Adventure 2 by Showoff 9000. Future you is back, and now it's time to stop him. You Toby and Tim killed them all. Toby, please play, and please part one search and replay. Search my username shard. I got the best place. Good luck for giving the treat for me. Okay, come on, son. Get him down, Buscus. Shut the Tim. Get down, Tobuscus. Oh no. Try to skin. Go. Come on. Okay. Got it. Now, zombie gay Buscus. Tim, pull out, kill them. Stop killing my zombies. Except her, you can kill her. Time to die, Toby. I have you know I'm not gonna die today. 'Cause I'm gonna kill all of you. Sorry, son. Sorry about that, son. Oh no, son, you died. Grandpa, everybody, just all dying. It's morbid and crazy. Okay, I win. Alright. So, I gotta pause it. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/Chris A. Lytle. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Chris A. Lytle. See you guys next time.